Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to disable notifications for channels on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been getting constant alerts from different channels and want a little more peace and quiet, this quick guide will help you turn them off easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left side of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open up the main menu. From here, you'll see several options available, but the one you want is Settings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be brought into a new page with lots of customization features for your Telegram account. What you need next is Notifications and Sounds, so click on that option. This section controls everything related to alerts inside Telegram, from chat messages to calls, groups, and of course, channels. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Channels. This is where you can take control over how and when channel notifications appear. Simply click on the Channels option, and you'll see the settings dedicated just for them. If you want to completely stop channel notifications, just toggle the setting to disable them. Once you've done that, Telegram will no longer send you alerts every time a channel posts something new. You'll still be able to open any channel and browse its content whenever you want, but the distraction of constant notifications will be gone. This feature is really helpful if you're part of many different channels and don't want to be interrupted while working, studying, or relaxing. The best part is that you're not leaving or removing yourself from any channel. You're simply choosing when to check updates on your own schedule. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy a quieter and more focused experience while still keeping all your favorite Telegram channels.